Hi guys, this is Leo Sam, and this is my first YouTube video. Um, well, honestly, like I actually had like 2 YouTube videos in the past, but they were actual trash. So yeah, I decided to just ditch them. Um, yeah. So it's 5 a.m. right now in Korea, and I'm in my apartment garden. Or yard, or whatever. Yeah. Um. Yeah. It's been raining all day, and like, yeah. I was trying to give you guys like a lecture on Latin, but apparently it was very boring. So, yeah. Yeah. Uh. Yeah. So. Well, actually, like, relating to the Romans, like the ancient Romans usually like on these rainy days they kind of like stored their rainwater so that they could use it in the future. So because like they didn't have like actual like sewers or like anything like that, they just had to like just kind of store the rainwater, or they actually had aqueducts, which were like basically water channels which like drew water from nearby rivers into the city. Uh, well, most of the big cities had those aqueducts, and Rome was actually pretty famous for its roads. So not only their human roads, but they also had like water roads, apparently. Yeah, cool stuff. Yeah. I don't know, like, not really cheerful right now because it's like 5 a.m. and I've been like uh, doing a lot of stuff. I ran like 5 miles today in the gym and did some weight training. Yeah, basically stayed there for 3 hours and then like came back home, showered, had my chicken breast, and yeah, just studied like straight for 5 hours, and like I'm actually dying. I'm living off of caffeine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I don't know, like this is my first video, and like, yeah, I know it's kind of rusty and all that, but like, yeah, just bear with me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get better soon. Yeah, pretty much. The thing is though, yeah, I don't really care about the subscribers, but like, I wish like each video got like, I don't know. Okay, 50 views. Yeah, 50 views. That's actually not bad compared to the quality of this video, considering that I don't edit anything. But yeah, I mean, yeah. To be honest, this is my first, I don't know, recording. Like, yeah, this is my first time going. Yeah, you can tell because it's really rusty, but yeah. Next time I should probably write a script because I can't think of these things on the top of my head. Yeah. Okay. Well. Yeah, I gotta go back and work on my essay again. Yeah. Yeah. Well, hope I see you next time. Probably. Yeah. See you next time.